Hello and welcome to week 11 of the course for Statistics 1 for the spring of 2018. For this week we have our second exam of the course, and much like the first one, it's set up on Excel. So when you open up this week, you can download the file using this link here. And again, I recommend you following the process where you select the link, and then up above here where the three dots are, this is where you want to hit download, and this will download the Excel file for you. This exam is set up to help to do two things. Number one, it is to assess your knowledge and ability to find certain statistics and speak about them and respond to questions about them. But the other point of it is to take one set of data and then walk you through some of the statistical topics we've covered through the course and to kind of pull them all together. So in one activity or one test, kind of walks you through, basically, hopefully you'll see the point of the course so far, and then with the last items kind of leading you to where we're going to next. Now what I also do recommend that you do for this is maybe take a look at the exam, get an idea about what type of tasks you have to do. If need be, go through the Excel tools here and maybe view a couple of the key steps on Excel that will help you. This is not created to be a number crunching event. It's really to help you gain a knowledge of how to use Excel and other tools to let the tools do the work for you. For example, creating histograms, also finding descriptive statistics for sets of data. That would be useful for this one, as well as finding the correlation coefficient, which on hand, as you know, or by hand, is a very complicated formula, but allowing Excel to do it for you is much easier. Also creating a scatter plot, running a regression, finding the line of best fit, and then using that line of best fit. So take a look at the test, spend some time going through some of the Excel files that we have, and then make sure again that you answer the questions being asked as well. Hopefully the format is user-friendly for you, and you'll understand where to place the information. Good luck with it, and again, it's due next Monday night before midnight. It's worth a total of 16 points, and along the left you can see the value of each task. So each of the tasks have point values to them to give you a sense of what each is worth. All right, good luck.